Jumiso released new essence, which name is Jumiso Antioxidant Glow Essence. Jumiso's Antioxidant Glow Essence is a game-changer for achieving that coveted glass skin look. With its clinically proven antioxidant properties lasting up to 168 hours, it delivers on its promise of a luminous complexion that's vibrant, firm, smooth, clear, and bright. The essence excels in providing moisture while locking it into the skin, resulting in a hydrated and radiant appearance. It goes beyond mere hydration by brightening and evening out the complexion, fading dark spots and discolorations, and offering protection against environmental stressors. What sets this essence apart is its rich blend of antioxidants, including tocopherol, vitamin E, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, panthenol, glycerin, centella, and ashwagandha. This powerhouse combination targets various skin concerns, such as uneven skin tone and texture, hyperpigmentation, oil balance, hydration, and barrier repair. Moreover, it enhances the efficacy of vitamin C serums, amplifying their benefits for the skin. One notable aspect is its fragrance-free formula, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. I incorporate it into my daily skincare routine, applying it generously after my vitamin C serum. It absorbs well into the skin, leaving behind a faint hint of an oily finish that ensures lasting hydration without any dryness. While the immediate glow is a nice touch, I'm more intrigued by its long-term anti-aging benefits and its ability to tackle sunspots over time. Overall, Jumiso's Antioxidant Glow Essence lives up to its promises and has become a staple in my quest for youthful, radiant skin.